Hello friends, thank you so much for checking my videos out. It really does mean the world to me that you guys take the time to watch them. I put a lot of time and effort and I have so much fun with them. And so it means a lot that you guys are actually taking the time to watch them. Just wanted to share a few things with you all. It won't take long at all, I promise. Number one, I accept prayer requests. If there's anything that you are going through, anything that you would like for me to pray over, just go ahead and contact me. My email is below. You can also contact me through social media, even through the comments section here in this video, and I will go ahead and add you to a prayer list that I pray over. And I would love to have a conversation with you and even share what my faith is about and why I pray and all that good stuff. So just go ahead and contact me if that is something that you would like to do. Number two, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me because I share a lot more content there. I do videos here and I post them and I have fun, but over there, especially on social media, on Instagram, I share a lot more of like my family, my life, things that I do on the everyday basis, especially in the Instagram stories. So go ahead and follow me. There will be a link to my Instagram handler below. So you can click on it and it'll take you right to there. And number three is if you're not part of this family, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, whether it's makeup, a recipe, a Bible study, etc. Just go ahead and join us. We have so much fun here. Like I said, I have fun filming these videos and I would love for you guys to join our fam. All right guys, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you all.